We're joined now by Bloomberg's David Baker, who's been monitoring the situation here in the Bay Area. What is the latest on the cruise ship? I know we're waiting for those testing kits to come back, but they have not come back yet.
You're waiting and the passengers are waiting too. They were supposed to come back this morning. That's what we heard yesterday. The latest, I just got a notification a few minutes ago from the state health department saying they hoped to have an announcement later today. So we'll see if they actually stick with that.
The state of California has declared a state of emergency, as has San Francisco, LA. What happens when they get the results? Are those passengers going to debark here in San Francisco?
That isn't known yet. The state and the federal authorities are trying to figure out where they can bring these people ashore in an environment where they can keep the people who may be infected away from the rest of the population and get them to a hospital quickly. That may very well end up being in San Francisco, and the city is starting to prepare for that. But that decision hasn't been made so far as we know.
Meantime, there have been cases popping up. Are they connected to this ship's passengers? Because there has been a person who died who was on this ship, a previous leg of the cruise. He came ashore and later passed away. Are the cases in the Bay Area linked to that?
They appear to be. There are at least 8 cases around the state that we've tracked so far that are linked to the last voyage of the ship. It docked here in San Francisco, left on a cruise on February 11th. And since that cruise came back, a number of people who were on that ship have started showing symptoms of the disease. And they're scattered around the state, too. We've had them up in Placer County, up in the foothills of the Sierra. There are several here in the Bay Area. And there was a gentleman who died here in the Bay Area yesterday who had been on that ship, and they're checking to see if he had coronavirus. He died after emergency medical crews went to his house and tried to revive him. It's not known if he had the disease yet.
But meantime, we're getting some headlines from the White House. The president saying he would be inclined to leave these quarantined people on the ship. Your reaction?
I think they need treatment. Wherever they are, they need treatment if they are indeed sick. We still don't know for sure that anybody who's on that boat right now actually has the virus.